I know this video is going to sound crazy, but let's talk about this if your Bitcoin starts keep going down, okay? And what also only if, I know it's a bull run, I know Bitcoin will go up to 100k, but if Bitcoin doesn't go up from here, then we can take a short, right? So here are the short entries that I'm taking, okay? If your Bitcoin starts going down, okay? Because if Bitcoin goes down, it's going from, okay, so now let's talk about Bitcoin, okay? So right now, you know that Bitcoin didn't break this. You can see this white resistance. The Bitcoin didn't break and it didn't even make a support. It just broke to that. So if, only if your Bitcoin kind of keeps going down like this from here, it's more probably going to this support, right? At around, I'll show you where exactly you can see it. Okay, at around, you can say $40,797. Okay, so you know that if Bitcoin goes here, there'll be some good like small shorts that are actually looking quite good, only if your Bitcoin does that. If say your Bitcoin from here tries to go up, I'll make a video. Okay, so now let me talk about the shorts that are actually there. Okay, so now let's go into your first coin, which is going on a downwards trend. If your Bitcoin goes down, that is INJ. Okay, so right now when your INJ just comes touching this white line, you can see this white line, right? Your INJ keeps touching this line, it's more probably going down. Okay, so just watch your INJ chart. Okay, when it comes and it touches this line, your Bitcoin pumps a little bit and your Bitcoin is also going down, then only we'll take the short. Okay, so remember, if your INJ just comes on this line and then your Bitcoin is also going down, we will enter this short position right here, INJ. Okay, so now let's talk about your next coin, which is Rose. Okay, so Rose also is kind of a small here only. It's just settling here and it's on a downwards trend. Okay, so also if your Rose coin just touch this resistance line, and you can see also it's not breaking this white resistance, then you can short it. Okay, so you can see it on a 30 minutes time frame. You will see exactly, like I'll just show you right now on 30 minutes time frame how it looks. So you can see here, right? You can see here it will do the same thing over here on this white line. You can see it will do the same thing that you do 100%, that is going down because the Bitcoin is going down. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is here. Okay, so here is also another chart that is kind of having a small downwards trend, and if your Bitcoin goes down, even your FTM coin will go down. So I have to just wait and watch when it touches this resistance. That's the time you can put some small entries. You can just put say 10%, and if your Bitcoin keeps going down, like example I give, say this goes down, right now it will touch this resistance and go down. I entered here 10% at this point, enter 10%, right? And when it keeps going again, it makes a higher low again, I'll enter full 50%. That's more probably going down. Okay, so that's how I will play this. Okay, so now let's talk about your next coin, which is Algorand. Okay, so Algorand is like on a perfect, it's on, if you see the chart, it's on a perfect resistance. It's just touching this white line. Okay, so if you see your Algorand chart, okay, so that's where I would start putting my shorts, and only once your Bitcoin starts going down. So right now you can put your shorts on Algo and put your stop loss above this high, as you can see. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is STX. So STX also is on a downwards trend. Okay, so if you see the chart exactly, it's here. Okay, so once it touches the white line, that's the time you start entering your shorts. Okay, and more probably your Bitcoin goes down and we get this short profit. Okay, so STX is this chart. Okay, so now let's talk about your last chart, which is Solana. Okay, so right now your Solana also touches this white line, you need to start entering the shorts. Okay, so if you see you will see Solana on the 30 minutes time frame. You'll be able to see it properly, or 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's put it on a 1 hour time frame. Let's go straight to this and see. Okay, so right now it's kind of touched here your Solana. Okay, so right now entering would be a good entry, only if you think the Bitcoin will go down. Okay, so I would enter some little bit shorts. Okay, if it's there. Okay, so now let's talk about your one last chart, No. Okay, so that's it for your crypto video. If you like content like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. Remember, this is only if your Bitcoin goes down, okay? And if you all want the bullish side, if your Bitcoin from there just goes up, I'll just show you. If your Bitcoin from here just starts going on upwards trend, the HTD video would be a good entry to be watching that, okay? So peace out, crypto fam.